Cabbage may help to reduce chronic inflammation. Eating cabbage regularly may lower the risk of certain cancers. Cabbage can help control high blood pressure. Cabbage is a source of fiber, folic acid, and potassium. Potassium relaxes the walls of the blood vessels, lowering blood pressure and protecting cardiovascular system. Cabbage may help in weight loss. The vegetable has few calories and it is rich in dietary fiber, which promotes the feeling of satiety for a longer time, helping in weight loss. Cabbage regular consumption contributes to a healthy vision. Cabbage is rich in vitamin A, which is one of the most important nutrients to reduce the risk of macular degeneration and vision loss. Cabbage can strengthen the immune system. Cabbage is a source of antioxidants compounds such as vitamin C, carotenoids, and folate, which help prevent that free radical damage body cells and protect the body against infection. Cabbage help prevent constipation. The high dietary fiber content of cabbage can help make your stools larger and softer, and this can help lower the risk of constipation and diarrhea. Cabbage has anti-inflammatory properties. The vegetable is a source of antioxidants that fight inflammation and prevent chronic diseases such as type 2 diabetes, heart disease, Alzheimer, cancer, and depression. Side effects. Excess consumption of cabbage can lead to increased gas, as it is high in sulfur and raffinose, which are substances that cause flatulence and gas. Cabbage can be served raw, cooked, in salads or soups. It is recommended to eat daily 5 servings of fruits and vegetables such as cabbage, that is about 400 grams a day. This recommendation reduces the risk of development of chronic diseases and helps ensure an adequate daily intake of dietary fiber. Cabbage can be eaten every day, but it is important to eat a variety of choices of fruits and vegetables. To ensure that you are buying a fresh cabbage, choose the vegetable that has a large, dense, and firm head, clear and bright color, and does not have dark spots on the outside.